Hello student, welcome back from St. Paul's High School. My name is Khushbu Shukla, as you know that. Yes children. So my dear children, as we have learned in the last video, that story Unity is Strength. So dear children, today we will revise once again same story. Yes children. Once we are done revising the story, I will give you some questions for which you can find the answer after reading the story from English Bal Bharati textbook. Yes, student? So my dear children, listen the story carefully so that you can answer the questions easily. Alright student, then let's begin once again. Unity is strength. Yes? Unity is strength. Once upon a time, an old man lived with his 4 sons in a village. The old man was worried. His sons were always quarreling with each other. They would never agree on any point. The old man had tried telling them many times to avoid fighting, but his sons would not listen to him. They would fight for everything. So one day, he called his 4 sons. He gave them a small bundle of sticks and asked them to break the bundle into 2. It's so easy, said the eldest son. He took the bundle and tried to break it. He was surprised that the stick in the bundle remained unbroken. He used more force. He tried again and again, but the bundle of sticks did not break. He gave up. Then his brothers tried to break the bundle of sticks. They tried hard, but they too could not succeed. Their father smiled and asked them to untie the bundle. Now the sticks were separated. He gave each brother a single stick and asked them to break it. Each of the sons took a stick in hand. In no time, the sticks were bent and broken. A single stick is easily broken. If 4 sticks come together, it is impossible to break them. If you are united, help each other, and live in friendship, you will be stronger than any enemy. But if you are divided among yourselves and keep fighting, you will be as weak as the single stick in that bundle. Remember, united we stand, divided we fall, said the old man, giving his sons a meaningful look. Even all 4 sons realized that what their father was telling them. They realized that if they keep on quarreling, they will be not united, and anybody can break them and take advantage of them. But if they are united and work together, they will be more strong like the bundle of sticks, that nobody can break their unity and they will always prosper. Now this time the brothers learned a lesson. They stopped fighting with each other. They started to work together as a team, and that really helped them. Remember, united we stand, divided we fall, said the old man, giving his sons a meaningful look. Even all 4 sons realized that what their father was telling them. They realized that if they keep on quarreling, they will be not united, and anybody can break them and take advantage of them. But if they are united and work together, they will be more strong like the bundle of sticks. That nobody can break their unity and they will always prosper. Now, this time the brothers learned a lesson. They stopped fighting with each other. They started to work together as a team, and that really helped them. So, my dear children, we'll start with the difficult word, or you can say dictation words. Now, children, you have to write these dictation words 5 times. So, let's start to reading the dictation words. So, first one is worried, second one is quarreling, third one is bundle, fourth one is fighting, fifth one is surprised, sixth one is unbroken, seventh one is friendship, eighth one is succeed, ninth one is divided, and the last 10th one is united. Yes, children. So these 10 dictation words or difficult words you have to write 5 times. Yes, children. Now, children, we'll see the first question. So the first question is give meaning. Now, children, I have given you only 2 words. Yes? So, first word is quarreling and the second word is stronger. Now, children, you have to find out the meaning of these 2 words, quarreling and stronger. Yes, children? Now, children, we'll see the second question. The second question is write opposite words. Now, children, here I have given you 5 words to write their opposites. Yes? So, we'll see the words. Okay? So, first word is broken. Second word is eldest. Third word is up. Fourth word is easy. Fifth word is impossible. Now, children, you have to write opposite of these words. Yes, children? Now, we'll see the third question. The third question is write rhyming words. Rhyming words, only I have given you 3 words to write their rhyming. Yes? So, first one is man. Second word is old. Third word is tried. Yes, children? It's easy. Yes, children? So, write down the answer in your notebook. Now, children, we'll see the fourth question. The fourth question is fill in the blanks. Now, children, you have to find out the answer from the English Bal Bharati textbook. From the story, unity is strength. Now, children, the first fill in the blanks is the old man lived with his dash sons in a village. Yes, children, so you have to write down the fill in the blanks question and find out the answer from the Bal Bharati textbook. Yes, children. Now we'll see the second fill in the blanks. The old man gave his sons a small dash of sticks. So you have to write blank one. What is the answer comes in a fill in the blanks. Yes, children. Now the third fill in the blanks is united we dash and divided we fall. So all these fill in the blanks answer, children, you will get it from the English Bal Bharati textbook. When you are going to a story, you will easily find out the answers. Now, children, we'll see the last question, that is question number 5. So the question number 5 is answer the following. Now children, you have to find out the answer from the English Bal Bharati textbook in the story Unity is Strength. Now children, the first question is, why was the old man worried? What is the first question, children? Why was the old man worried? Now we'll see the second question. What happened when the sons tried to break the bundle of the sticks? What is the second question, children? What happened when the sons tried to break the bundle of the sticks? Now children, we'll see the last question in the answer the following. That is question number 3. The question number 3 is, what lesson did the sons learn? What is the third question, children? What lesson did the sons learn? Now, my dear children, I have given you dictation words, give meaning, opposite words, rhyming words, fill in the blanks and answer the following. All answers you have to find out, okay, and write as a homework or a assignment. Yes, children. So children, find out the answer with the help of our English Bal Bharati textbook from the story Unity is Strength. Okay, children. Okay, bye children till our next video from the St. Paul's High School. Take care, stay home, stay safe.